content management systems that are ultimately responsible to, or are a tool to allow content teams to publish information into applications and websites for that matter, but specifically into apps. They're crucially important, and the usability of those solutions is vital. That they are not just robust and scalable, but they're also actually really easy to use. So the UI and the UX that sits around those systems is just as important sometimes as the actual beauty that exists within the applications from an aesthetic perspective, because these have got to be usable systems that allow content publishers to be able to get the information into the system and out quickly. Interestingly, we've been dealing with quite a number of football clubs recently who are all having quite similar problems, in that they have got journalist type members of their teams, content publishers that are out and about in the field, and they need to get content onto their apps quickly. One of the biggest challenges they're facing is the fact that most CMS or content management systems are being deployed to be used on a desktop or a laptop, when actually today we need to deploy content management systems that are available on any device, anytime, anywhere, with the capability to be able to produce and publish on-demand content. So if you've got a journalist out on the road and for a football club there's a story breaking or there's a signing of a new player, that information needs to be captured. It may be there could be a quick video recording that's done, but certainly there's content needs to be produced, and that then needs to be fired up into, and that's crucially important. So it's really vital that we have or deliver content platforms that are robust and scalable, and they can come in different shapes and sizes, but crucially they need to be available on all platforms. Developing robust content systems is about understanding the user. In order to produce a CMS that is going to be useful to a user, we need to understand their needs, and what it's all about is it's about empowerment. It's about empowering the user to be able to control content into an application quickly and effectively. It's about them being able to make updates. It's about them being able to assess analytics and make commercial decisions. If these are applications that are in the retail space, for example, or they've got advertising opportunities, or in the gambling space, people need to be able to get information fast, effectively and quickly. It's about empowering users, and the importance of good, solid CMS development and design is about empowering the users of those systems and giving them the tools that they need to make their lives easier, because they're very passionate people that are responsible for ensuring that they get this information into these applications and measuring the content and the usage of those applications. We've got to provide them with those robust systems, so it's all about empowering the user.